An aluminum caulking gun is a high-performance tool designed for precision sealing, bonding, and adhesive applications in construction, home improvement, and industrial settings. Unlike plastic models, which can be flimsy, or steel variants, which may be too heavy for prolonged use, an aluminum caulking gun strikes the perfect balance between strength, durability, and lightweight comfort. Its corrosion-resistant aluminum frame ensures longevity, even in high-moisture environments such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor settings. Many professional-grade models feature a reinforced trigger mechanism, allowing for smooth and controlled dispensing of caulk, sealants, and adhesives with minimal effort. The ergonomic handle and balanced weight distribution reduce strain on the user's hand and wrist, making it ideal for both short and long projects. Additionally, the precision-engineered push rod and release mechanism ensure consistent material flow, preventing messy drips and reducing product waste, which is particularly beneficial when working with high-viscosity sealants or adhesives. Beyond its sturdy construction and ergonomic design, an aluminum caulking gun is built with user efficiency and convenience in mind. Many advanced models include Dripless technology, where the pressure automatically releases after each squeeze, preventing excess material from oozing out and ensuring clean, professional-grade application. Some units also come equipped with a built-in puncture tool and seal cutter, eliminating the need for additional tools when opening a new caulk or adhesive tube. For added practicality, certain models incorporate a ladder hook or hanging loop, allowing the gun to be conveniently stored or secured while working at heights. With a universal cartridge compatibility that accommodates various sizes and types of sealants, including silicone, acrylic, polyurethane, and construction adhesives, an aluminum caulking gun is an indispensable tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether sealing gaps, waterproofing surfaces, or bonding materials with precision, this tool ensures efficiency, reliability, and long-lasting performance, making every project smoother and more effective.